Here are some of the best makeup ideas for ladies who want to get a natural look, a dramatic look, or a distinctive makeup look, or in any other way that will let you explore and appreciate these makeup ideas. Makeup is an excellent way for women to express themselves creatively and enhance their natural beauty. There are many makeup ideas that can be used to create different looks, from natural and minimal to bold and dramatic. For a natural makeup look, women can opt for a light foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out their skin tone. A touch of concealer can be used to cover any blemishes or under-eye circles. A light dusting of bronzer or blush can add a healthy glow to the cheeks. For the eyes, a neutral eyeshadow shade, such as beige or taupe, can be applied to the lids. Mascara can be used to define the lashes and make the eyes pop. A tinted lip balm or nude lipstick can complete the look. For a more dramatic makeup look, women can experiment with bold colors and intense techniques. A full coverage foundation can be used to create a flawless base. Contouring and highlighting can be used to sculpt and define the face. A bold eyeshadow color, such as deep blue or emerald green, can be applied to the lids. Eyeliner can be used to create a winged or smoky eye effect. False lashes can be applied for extra drama. A bold lipstick color, such as red or burgundy, can be used to make a statement. Another fun makeup idea for women is a metallic or glittery look. Metallic eyeshadows or lipsticks can add a touch of sparkle and shine to any makeup look. A metallic gold or silver shade can be used on the eyes, lips, or cheeks for a glam effect. Glitter can be used to create a dramatic eye look or add sparkle to the lips. This makeup idea is perfect for a night out or special occasion. A monochromatic makeup look is another popular idea for women. This involves using the same shade of color on the eyes, cheeks, and lips. For example, a soft pink shade can be used on the eyes, cheeks, and lips for a fresh and feminine look. This makeup idea is simple yet effective and can be customized to suit any skin tone or style. For a unique makeup idea, women can experiment with bold graphic liners. This involves using eyeliner to create graphic shapes or lines on the eyes. This makeup look is edgy and artistic and can be done in a variety of colors and styles. It's perfect for women who want to make a statement with their makeup. Finally, for a classic makeup idea, women can opt for a red lip. This timeless look never goes out of style and can be worn with a variety of makeup looks. A bold red lipstick can add a touch of glamour to any outfit and make the wearer feel confident and powerful. In conclusion, makeup is a versatile and exciting way for women to express themselves and enhance their natural beauty. Whether going for a natural or bold look, experimenting with metallic or glittery makeup, or trying a graphic liner, there are endless makeup ideas for women to explore and enjoy. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.